root 23. Root 23 is root 16 and root 25. Root 39 is root 36 and root 49. So root 23, I wrote it as 4 to 5. Actually it is not 4 to 5. It is closer to 5. Am I right? Root 36 to 49 is 6 to 7. 5 to 6 is 11. 5 plus 7 is 12. Answer should lie between 11 to 12. Root 23 is closer to root 25. Instead of taking 4 to 5, you can take it as 5. 5 plus 7, 11. 7 plus 5, 12. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. Which is greater? Root 2 plus root 3. Root 2 plus root 3 or root 10. Already we discussed everything. Root 2 is, this is a generic value everybody knows. This is 1.732. This is 3.46. Root 10. How to find out root 10? Root 10 is nearer to root 9, which is nothing but 3 plus. Difference is 1. It is 1 by 6. So it is 6 ones are 6. 40. 6 6 are 3.16. 3.16. 3.16. So 3.146 calculation method. It is less than root 10. These method 1. Please write down method 1. Today's class, kindly practice it, sir. After the class is over, the class will be made private. Only enrolled students can watch this class. 1.4 plus 1.1. 3.146, 3.16. This is method 1. Method 2. Just now we discussed x equivalent to root 2 plus root 3. Y is nothing but root 10. So these will become y square equivalent to 10. X square will become 2 plus 3 plus 2 root of root 6. So these is nothing but 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6 is less than 5 plus 2 root 9. It is less than or otherwise here itself, right? X y square is 10. 5 plus 2 into 3. 5 plus 2 into 3. So it is less than 10. It is less than 11. Or if you are coming very, very closer, what you can do is you can stop here. So y square equivalent to 10. Now see here. Now here you can do. This is less than 5 plus 2 root 4. Am I right? Root 4 is 2. Or right, root 4 to root 9. From there you can determine. Or value also you can determine. You can do it in any ways. Less than, greater than, and 5 plus 2 root 6. Now what I will do is, right, so this is nothing but root 6 is, it lies between root 4 and root 9. So it is 2 plus 2 by 5. It is approximately 2.4. So 5 plus 2 into 2.4, which is 4.8. So closer to 9.8 something. From there also you can do it. You can do it in any method that is possible, sir. Any method that is possible. Entire learning is how to find out the approximate value of a non-perfect square. If you know how to find out the approximate value of a non-perfect square, any question based on this, you can solve it. Any question based upon this, you can solve it. I hope it is clear. Next one. 2 power 1 by 2. This is an original CAT question, sir. 2 power 1 by 2. 3 power 1 by 3. 4 power 1 by 4. 6 power 1 by 6. 12 power 1 by 12. LCM of all these is 12. So 2 power 6 power 1 by 12. 3 power 4 power 1 by 12. 4 cube power 1 by 12. 6 square, 6, these 1 by 6, sir. There is a mistake here. This is an original CAT question. 6 square power 1 by 12. 12 power 1 by 12. 12 power 1 by 12. Idea is clear. These is 64. These is 81. These is 64. These is 36. And it is 12. Highest is 81. 81 corresponds to 3 power 1 by 3. Here option it is written, but here it is not written right. It is 6 power 1 by 6. 2 power 6 power 1 by 12. 3 power 4 power 1 by 12. 4 cube power 1 by 12. 6 square power 1 by 12. 12. 2 power 6 is 64. 3 power 4 is 81. 4 cube is 64. 6 square is 36. It is 12. Highest is for 81. Next one. Root n minus. This is again a very, very good question, sir. Root n minus root of n minus 1 is less than 1 by 100. 100 is less than 1 by root n minus of root n minus 1. This is nothing but multiplying with the rationalizing factor. It is nothing but root n plus root n plus 1. So 100 is less than root n plus 1. This is nothing but root n whole square minus of root n minus 1 whole square. Now, can I say that root n plus 1 is closer to root n? 100 is less than, approximately less than 2 root n. So 2 root n is greater than 100. Root n is greater than 50. That means root n should be closer to 50. Root n should be closer to 50. So this will be root n plus 1, highest I require. So root n is 50. N will be 2500. Or root n plus 1 is 50. N will be 2499. Next one. A greater than B greater than C greater than D. Which is larger? A plus C or B plus D? Can we tell from which of A plus D and B plus D is larger? A is greater than, B is greater than, C is greater than D. A is greater than, B is greater than. That means A is greater than B, C is greater than D. So if I add both of them, very easy. A plus C is greater than B plus D. There is no logic involved. A plus C should be greater than B plus D. D is out. Next one. A is greater than B. D and C. What is the relationship we require? A plus D. So D. C is greater than D. That means D is less than C. D is less than C. So we cannot determine. Very simple. Cannot determine because D is less than C. You can add two with the same inequality. One is greater than, another is less than. So I cannot determine the value. I hope the logic is clear. Very easy question. Very easy question. A plus C greater than B plus D. A plus D. You cannot say that A plus D and B plus C which is larger because of the inequality change. Next one. 0 less than AB, A less than, B less than, C less than D. 0 less than, A less than. Another good question, sir. 0 less than, A less than, B less than, C less than D. Let me take an example, some random example. 0 less than, 1 less than, 2 less than, 3 less than 4. Am I right? 1 less than, 2 less than, 3 less than 4. What is the highest value? C plus D is the largest value. C plus D is the largest value. What is the lowest, second lowest value? So second lowest value is 3 plus 4. Next will be 2 plus 4 is 6. So the second lowest will be B plus D will be the second largest value. Second largest value. Then we require lowest. Lowest is the sum of the first two lowest. A plus B is the lowest value. A plus B is the lowest value. Second lowest is A plus C will be the A plus B. 1 plus 2 is 3 which is the lowest. 1 plus 3 which is A plus C. These is nothing but the second lowest. second lowest. If the values are in ascending order, only these values can be determined. Lowest, second lowest, highest. Why? Because third will become 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 3, 5. You cannot uniquely determine. Lowest you can determine, second lowest you can determine, highest you can determine, second highest you can determine. Please write down this one, sir. This is useful in my next problem. C plus D, B plus D, A plus B, A plus C. Now if you see 1 by 2, now if you see all of this, which of the following is the largest? When the fraction will be largest, a fraction will be largest when the numerator is maximum and the denominator is minimum. When the numerator is maximum and the denominator is minimum. Numerator is maximum, denominator is minimum. What is the maximum numerator? C plus D. What is the minimum denominator? A plus D. So C plus D by A plus B, this is the largest value. I hope the idea is clear. A fraction will be largest when the numerator is maximum and the denominator is smallest. Please make a note. If the condition is 0 less than, A less than, B less than, C less than D, highest we can determine, second highest we can determine, lowest we can determine, only second lowest can determine. Kindly reply in the live chat if everything is clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Is it clear to you? Shall I go to the next question? I hope the idea is clear. C plus D is the largest and A plus B is the smallest. Now, this is a very, very important question, sir. Highly repeated question. Highly repeated question. Please read the question. A rural child specialist is to determine the weight of 5 children. There are the weight of 5 children of different ages. All the ages are different. Okay. He knows from his past experience that each child would weight less than 30 kgs. Each children weight is less than 30. Each of them different weights. The scale available can measure weight only 30. The doctor decided to weigh the children in pairs. There are 5 weights are there. So let the weights be. Listen carefully, sir. Let the weights be A, B, C, D, E. Assume there will be one way where the weights are in ascending order. Am I right? A is the lowest and E is the highest. E is the highest. A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. What are the things that we determine? Lowest we can determine. Just now we discussed. Second lowest we can determine. Second lowest we can determine. Highest we can determine. Only these 4 can be determined. Second highest we can determine. Second highest is given by C plus E. These 4 we can determine. So out of 5 weights, he is selecting 2 weights. And why 2 weights? He is selecting it in pair. He said, right, the doctor decides to weigh the children in 5 pairs. Out of 5 selecting any 2. So 5C2 is nothing but 10. So total I should get 10 pairs in the question. Total I should get 10 pairs in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10. Now we can assign the values. Lowest is nothing but 35. A plus B is nothing but 35. Second lowest is nothing but 36. Second lowest is 36. Highest is nothing but 47. Highest is 47. Second highest is nothing but 46. Second highest is 46. Now if you see, there are 10. What are the 10? A with B, A with C, A with D, A with E, B with C, B with D, B with E, C with D, C with E, and D with E. These are the pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is added with every other weight. If I add all of this, A plus A came 4 times. B also, A, B, 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 B. Every value will be weighed with another. So A with B, A with C, A with D, A with E. 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E. These is nothing but the sum of the weights. Sum of the weights, let us solve it slowly, which is nothing but 30, 30, 30, 30. 30 into 4 plus 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 9, 27 over here. 30 into 4 plus 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 40 into 6 plus 7 plus 6, 13, 18, 20, 21. It is plus 21. So these 120 plus 240, which is 360, plus 27 plus 21, 48, which is nothing but 408. 408, which is nothing but 408. A plus B plus C plus D plus E, which is nothing but 102. Which value we require? Weight of the lightest. Lightest means A we require. A we require. What is D plus E value? 47. D plus A, now we will go one by one. A plus B is 35. D plus E is 47. Plus 47 equivalent to 102. C is nothing but 20. If C is 20, A will be how much? Nothing but 16. A is 16. I hope it is clear. Very easy question. Previous question learning we have discussed in this problem. If the weights are in the ascending order, lowest we can determine, second lowest we can determine, highest we can determine, second highest we can determine. Out of 5 weights, the weights are weighed in pairs. So out of 5 selecting 2. 5C2, it is 10 pairs. What are the 10 pairs? These the 10 pair. A with B, A with C, A with D, A with E. A is combined with 4 other. So 4A will come. B also with 4 other. 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 408. So it is 102. A plus B I know. D plus E I know. C is 20. C is 20. A is nothing but 16. A is nothing but 16. Kindly reply everybody, is this problem clear to you? Is this problem clear to you? Kindly reply it in the live chat, is it clear to you? I will tell you an alternative method. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. A with B, A with C, A with D, A with E. A is combined with every other. So 4 into will come. Everybody kindly reply. I will tell one more logic. I will tell one more logic. Eliminating answer option. Everybody clear, right? Everybody clear? This is the most repeated numerical puzzle question, sir. Now, next one. Answer option elimination approach. Answer option elimination approach. Answer option eliminating approach. What is this? Answer option eliminating approach. See here, sir. A is less than, B is less than, C is less than, D is less than E. What is the sum of the lowest? Lowest, how much it is? 35. A plus B is 35. It is the lowest one. Lowest comes if you weigh two lowest ones. What is the D plus E value? What is the highest one? Highest one is nothing but 47. Here it is A is less than B. Here it is D is less than E. Now listen carefully. D is less than E. Better see here, A plus B equivalent to 35. If both A and B are equal, A and B will be equivalent to 17.5. Am I right? But A is less than B. So answer, A value should be less than 17.5. A value should be less than 17.5. Sum of 2 is 35. When they both are equal, they will be equal at 17.5. But A is less than B. So A value should be less than 17.5. Similarly, highest also we can do. If D is equivalent to E, D and E will be both be equivalent to 47 by 2, 23.5. That means D is equivalent to E. E value should be greater than 23.5. Please make a note, sir. Directly by looking at a question, I can say that lowest weight is less than 17.5. Highest weight is greater than 23.5. I hope this idea is clear to you. Lowest it is 17.5. Highest weight it should be greater than 23.5. Greater than 23.5. Lowest is less than 17.5. Highest value is greater than 23.5. Now see here. Now we will eliminate the answer options. Lowest is less than 17.5. These option, it is eliminated. I hope it is clear. There are only two options which we got eliminated, 15, 16, 17. I am stuck in this. So what we have to do it is, A plus B is nothing but 35. What is A plus C? A plus C is nothing but 36. Highest D plus E is nothing but 47, and C plus E is nothing but 46. C plus E is 46. Assume A as 16. Any value less than 16.5. Assume A as 16. B will be 19. C will be 20. E will be 26. D will be 21. What are all the weights we got? 16, 19, 20, 26, 21. All the 10 values we should get. All the if my assumption is right, all the sum I should get it in the answer. A is 16, B is 19, C is 20, E is 26, and D will be 21. Now let us see 16, 19, 20, 21, 26. Let us see 16, 19, 20, 21, 26. Combination, it should give me all the values. 16, 19, 20, 21, 26. 35, 16 plus 19. 36, 16 plus 20. 37, 16 plus 21. 39, 19 plus 20. 40, where is 40? 40, 40. 41, 20 plus 21. 47, 21 plus 26. 46, 20 plus 26. 45, where is 45? 45, any case is there? 26 plus 16, 42. 26 plus 19, 45. What is that case that will give you 20, 19 plus 21, 40. All the 10 cases we got. So answer is 16. I hope you are all there with me, right? I hope we are all there with me. We require the weight of 5 children. We require the weight of 5 children. All the children weights are distinct. Each of them will have different weights. 5 children, 5 weights. I called them as A, B, C, D, E. lowest is E, highest is things. And he said all of them are different. So one way they will be in ascending order. A less than, B less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. I hope method 1 and method 2 is crystal clear to you. Variety of questions under decoding inequalities. Inequality less than, right? So inequality. I hope method number 1 and method number 2 is clear. Another variety of questions. 2 plus x is greater than 5 minus 3x. Next one, 5 minus 3x is greater than 8. So these nothing but 4x greater than 3. X is greater than 3 by 4. These nothing but minus 3 is greater than 3x. 3x is less than minus 3. X is less than minus 1. This is an AND condition. AND condition. AND condition. Greater than 3 by 4 means it is a positive value. Less than minus 1 is it is going to 0 or negative value. Intersection cannot be there. So answer for this question is no solution. Answer for this question is no solution. 2 plus x greater than 5 minus 3x. 4x greater than 3. X greater than 3 by 4. It is a positive value. One is going into the left hand side of negative. Another is going to the right hand side of positive. There cannot be any intersection. And condition it is. Answer is no solution. Next one. 7 minus 3x less than x minus 1. Next condition. Again it is an AND condition. And x minus 1 less than or equivalent to 2x plus 9. So these is nothing but 8 is less than 4x. 4x is greater than 8. X is greater than 2. First condition. Next is an AND condition. AND condition. These is nothing but AND condition. So here it is nothing but minus 10 less than or equivalent to x. X greater than or equivalent to minus 10. X greater than or equivalent to minus 10. X is greater than 2. Here it is minus 10. Here it is minus 10. So let us see. Anything greater than or equivalent to minus 10. Greater than or equivalent to means anything to the RHS. So x is greater than 2. Anything to the greater than 2. So what is the intersection? Intersection is x is greater than 2. Intersection is x is greater than 2. I hope it is clear. It is an AND function. AND function. AND function means you have to take the lines which are present in both. Next one, third question. 2r minus 4. 2r minus 4 less than or equivalent to r plus 7. So r is less than or equivalent to 11. AND condition. AND condition. R plus 7 less than 3r minus 15, which is 22 less than 2r. So 2r is greater than 22. R is greater than 11. Greater than 11 means anything to the RHS. Less than or equivalent to 11 is anything to the less than or equivalent to including that one. So there is no intersection. Answer is no solution. Answer is no solution. I hope the idea is clear. Answer is no solution. R is less than or equivalent to 1 and R is greater than 11. There is no solution. Next one. Another question. Find the length of the interval of solutions to the equation. 1 is less than or equivalent to 3 minus 5x and condition. 3 minus 4x less than or equivalent to 9. So these is nothing but 4x less than or equivalent to 2, x less than or equivalent to 1 by 2 and minus 6 less than or equivalent to 4x. 4x greater than or equivalent to minus 6. X is greater than or equivalent to minus 2 by 3. X is greater than or equivalent to minus 2 by 3. These is nothing but minus 2 by 3 less than or equivalent to x. So first is minus 2 by 3 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 1 by 2 and condition intersection of these both and condition intersection of these both. I hope the idea is clear. 4x less than or equivalent to 2, x less than or equivalent to 1 by 2, minus 6 less than or equivalent to 4x, 4x greater than or equivalent to minus 6, x greater than or equivalent to minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 less than or equivalent to x. So intersection. Next one. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. That means 2 is less than 3. Am I right? 2 is less than 3. So this equation will become 2 is greater than n plus 1 by n is greater than 101 by 99. 2 is greater than 1 plus 1 by n greater than 1 plus 2 by 99. So subtracting 1, 1 is greater than 1 by n greater than, I hope it is clear, right? 101 by 99. Till here clear, right, sir? 1 greater than n, 2 is greater than, I changed the signs, 2 is greater than n plus 1 by 1 by n greater than 101 by 99. 2 greater than n by n is 1, 1 plus 1 by n greater than 1 plus 2 by 99, subtracted 1. Again if I reverse it, 1 less than n less than 99 by 2, 1 less than n less than 49.5. So n will range any value from 2 to 49. I want positive integers. 49 minus 2 plus 1. There are 48 positive integers which will satisfy this question. 2 greater than, if I, these the notes, sir. 1 by 2 greater than 1 by 3. So these is nothing but 2 is less than 3. Interchange that numerator with the denominator. 2 greater than n plus 1 by n greater than 101 by 99. 2 greater than 1 plus 1 by n greater than 1 plus 2 by 99. Subtracting 1. 1 greater than 1 by n greater than 2 by 99. Again interchanging. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 less than n less than 99 by 2. 1 less than n less than 49.5. n will be from 2 to 49. 48. There is a mistake which I did it here. Thank you, Priya, for pointing it out. It is not 2 by 3. It is minus 6 by 4, which is minus 3 by 2. This is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. I hope it is clear. X is greater than or equivalent to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 less than or equivalent to x. I hope the idea is clear. Calculations, please take care, sir. Next, another model. 4 by 2001 less than a by a plus b less than 5 by 2001. Compute the number of integral values that b by Kent can take. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. It is nothing but 2 is less than 3. Interchange the values. 2001 by 4 is greater than a plus b by a greater than 2001 by 5. This is nothing but 2001 by 4 greater than 1 plus b by a greater than 2001 by 5. Subtract 1 on both the sides. 2001 by 4 minus 1 greater than b by a greater than 2001 by 5 minus 1. 2001 minus 4, which is 1997, divided by 4 greater than b by a greater than 1996, divided by 5. I hope it is clear. So again 4 by, I hope it is clear, right? 1 by 1997. So 4 3s are 4, 4s are 16, 39, 4 9s are 36, 196, 499, point something, greater than, B by A greater than, 5 3s are 15, 49, 5 9s are 45, 195, 46, 399 point something, 399 point something, less than B by A, less than 499 point something. So 400 to 499, I will get the values. 399, after 399 for 400. Total 100 solutions, I will get it.